Sa likod, meron siyang dual rear camera which is 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel.
Drop it!
What's up guys, Jovan here, that's Jovan, and yes, I am back with another video, but today, this is my first ever unboxing na video. As you can see in the comment down, so makikita nyo dyan yung title. So, we will be unboxing ang bagong bago sa market, the Realme 3. So, this is it, the Realme 3. So, the question is it worth upgrading from the Realme 2 or the Realme C1? Nga pala guys, the Realme 2 is not released in the Philippines. So, we have the Realme C1 lang. So, is it worth upgrading ba? At ano kaya mga bagong features at mga bagong ganap dito sa Realme 3? So, without further ado, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe button. And please comment down below if may mga nakakalimutan akong mga sabihin sa inyo about sa specification, because when it comes to technology, I'm not a techie one. So, kung i-rate ko yung self ko, 1 out of 10, I will give myself 8 or 6, ganon. 6 to 8 yung ranges ko when it comes to technology too, because I'm not very fan of having those technologies. So, ayan. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so let's start the quick unboxing and quick review. Okay. Upon opening the box of the Realme 3, ayan. So, we can see a small box. So, let's see what's inside. Ganyan lang yung mukha niya. May Realme, tsaka yung mga logo dito. And then, yung famous SIM ejector natin. Ayan. And then, inside, we have, some paperwork, manuals, guidelines, and the free jelly case that we have. So, alam nyo ba guys, kung bakit may free. As you can observe kasi noon, yung mga phone hindi nagbibigay ng mga free jelly case. So ngayon, meron na silang mga free jelly case. Kasi yung mga phone na bagong labas market, gaya ng Realme at iba pang phone, is hindi agad nagkakaroon ng mga klase-klase ng case. So, ang mga company, instead of earphones, kasi yung earphones na bibili lang sa mga tindahan, nilagyan na nila ng free jelly case. So much for that. Let's see what's inside. Oh, we have the unit itself. So let's set aside this, and then upon opening the box, we can see the wall adapter. So as expected, wala na talagang earphone. And then the wall adapter, I don't think so if it is a fast charging, but let's see if Realme will fight sa mga kagaya niya. And then we have the micro USB. So I was expecting that USB Type-C siya. So, here, we have the unit itself. Ayan. So, the color that I have is the dynamic black. So, it comes with two variants, the radiant blue and the dynamic black. What I like here is, ayan, nakikita nyo yung reflection ko. Pero pag tinitilt-tilt mo siya, pumapangit yung mukha ko. Ayan. So, the Realme 3 comes in 3 variants, and what I have is the 7990, which is 3GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. And then, we have also the lower price, 6,990 pesos, which comes with 3GB of RAM and then 32GB of internal storage. And the last one variant is this 9,990, which is 4GB of RAM and the 64GB of internal storage. I am setting up the phone, so bigyan ko lang kayo ng overall quick tour. Likod, meron siyang dual rear camera which is 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel for bokeh effect. So, si 13 megapixel ay yung may yellow accent, that is the main shooter. And then, sa baba, meron siyang LED flash. And then, sa likod rin, nakamount yung kanyang fingerprint scanner and just the usual Realme logo. And then, sa left side, guys, makikita nyo ang kanyang volume rocker. And then, the SIM tray with the SD card tray. And, so sa itaas, wala na siyang kahit ano-anong keme-keme dyan. And then, sa baba, as you can see, nandyan yung kanyang micro USB cable with the speaker grills and then the microphone with the headphone jack. So, good job Realme kasi you are still living with the headphone jack. So, in front guys, we can see the large screen which is 6.2 IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen. So it is 720 by 1520 pixels. But as you can see, hindi siya medyo pansin na 720 lang ang kanyang resolution sapagkat napaka-bright niya at napaka-minimalistic ang design. So as you can see guys, sa back niya is this is made out of plastic. Yes, this is made out of plastic. So parang nilin lang tayo ni Realme 3 because of its reflective design. So ang kanyang camera, so napansin ko from Realme C1 na pa-horizontal siya ngayon, pa-vertical na siya. So good job Realme. And the fingerprint scanner is medyo hindi siya noticeable pag sa cellphone mo tinitingnan. Pero pag personal, makikita mo siya. And in the side, this is made out of polycarbonate, and then sa front this is made of Gorilla Glass 3. So front meron siyang built-in na screen protector. So good job Realme. For its specification guys, Realme 3 is powered by Helio P60 processor and octa-core processor. So na-release lang ang Helio P70 sa India, and then this is came out with 4,230 mAh battery. So kung i-compare mo siya sa price niya, which is 7,990, mas aangat talaga si Realme. And then sa front camera, it is 13 megapixel, and then sa back camera, this is 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel for depth sensor. And then it is also came with 720 and by 1520 pixels with dewdrop notch display. It is also out of the box with the latest version of Android Pie, as you can see. Yes. So let us start to test its face unlock and its fingerprint. So I'm currently enrolling my fingerprint. So as I observed, sorry kasi medyo hindi pa ako sanay magkaroon ng fingerprint or maglagay ng fingerprint sa mga phone. That's why paulit-ulit ko tong tinatry. So let's try until masucceed natin yan. Okay. Ayan. And I'm doing it again. Ano ba tong video na to? So paulit-ulit na lang. Okay, enrolling my fingerprint ID. Okay, so I have to adjust my holding positions. Sit down kasi hindi pa na-register. So Realme is trying to secure talaga sa phone kasi hindi niya gusto na pabaya lang yung owner sa paglagay ng fingerprint. So nangangapa-ngapa pa ako kaya I'm so sorry. Ayan, we're yet done and we're done. So sa face unlock, let's see if it is responsive. Ayan. So medyo mabilis siya. Oh, ang bilis. So sobrang bilis ng kanyang face unlock. Oh, so responsive. Ayan. Napaka-responsive ng kanyang. So, sa mga fingerprint at sa kanyang face unlock, so good job ka dyan, Realme. Let us try the camera of the Realme 3. It is nice for vlogging. Okay. So, hi guys, I'm currently using the Realme 3. So far, meron siyang saddle effect na makikita mo, meron siyang beauty effect. And so far, stabilization, medyo okay. And then sa mukha ko, natural. So, thank you for watching guys. So, yan. Tapos na tayo mag-unbox and magbigay ng quick review sa Realme 3. So, ibibigay ko lang ang pros and cons. So, what I like in the Realme 3 is its processor, which is the Helio P60 na hindi mo makikita sa ibang phone na ka-level ng price nito. So, good job, Realme. Thank you for giving that processor. And then, next is the 4230 milliamp hour battery. So, thank you for that. Lalo-lalo na sa mga gamer na super need talaga nila yung malalaking battery. So, I suggest to buy this phone. So, tanong, is it worth upgrading from Realme C1 and Realme 2 to Realme 3? Yes, I will suggest it to be part of your list sa mga gusto niyong bilhin na phone. Kasi from its processor, design, from build quality, umaangat talaga si Realme. So, this phone can beat lots of phone dyan sa market. So, I suggest if you are going to buy a phone, please let this Realme to be part of your list. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. And disclaimer lang, this is not my phone. This is my ate's phone. Binili niya and thank you dahil pinahiram niya ako. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. If may nakalimutan ako, please comment down below because this is my first unboxing ng phone. So, nangangapa-ngapa pa ako. And then, that's all. Thank you. Goodbye.